Today, we're diving deep into GitHub to uncover a hidden goldmine potentially filled with talent candidate resumes. First, understand what we're looking for. Think about various file extensions that are common in resumes. Consider PDF, doc, docs, and even text files txt. These are the primary targets to keep in mind. Next, let's get into the actual search. We're going to use GitHub's built-in search function. This is going to be our bread and butter. You can begin by typing into the search bar resumes.github.com. This initial search is a great starting point, but we're just scratching the surface. Time to refine. Click on the code search filter or directly select it through the advanced search options. This will immediately narrow down the focus to code files. Now, this is where we begin to get more specific. The advanced search allows us to look for matches in a specific language, such as a name. We can look for resume language. Down. To further target the search, you can add the file extension to the search parameters. Think about targeting common ones like PDF to your resume search query. This would look like resume file type. Experiment with different combinations to widen your search. Once you've found a promising result, a potential resume, you need to inspect the repository and the user's profile. Consider if the user is the actual person whose resume is in question, or if the document is a demo or example. Check to see if the user profile provides links to other professional platforms. Remember to be respectful of people's privacy and the terms of service of GitHub. Use this technique responsibly and ethically to connect with potential candidates. Keep in mind that this strategy is all about being resourceful and strategic in your hunt for talent on GitHub.